Hey friends, and welcome to the woods. So me, Johnny, and Johnny's camper van are hanging out in some woodland down in Cornwall. This is the base of Footsteps of Discovery, and they're a company that do survival and bushcraft training. We've known them for years. We adore them. We've done a couple of their courses. They're very, very cool. Actually, I might bring you down another day when they've got a course running. This weekend they had something planned, but because of all the crazy in the world, it got postponed until next year. So we kind of sneaked on down here and we're kind of given the golden key to just hang out and play here all weekend, which I'm so happy about. So we have got another friend here, Leon. He's currently over in HQ and he's putting a fire together for me because I'm going to roast a chicken in a Dutch oven for lunch. So I thought I'd stick the camera on and I'd show you how to roast a chicken in a Dutch oven over an open fire, in case you've ever had the urge. So while I get that set up, I might just give you a quick tour of the woods before we get on with the chicken because, oh, it's so beautiful. We got here last night and the light was just so stunning. I did get some photos. I'll drop them in here if there are any that are any good. It's a brilliant spot. We're very, very happy. So let's go and have a quick wander and then we'll get cooking. The lovely Leon, he's helping me work my way around this massive kitchen with this industrial gas burner. Look at that. This is our Dutch oven. We haven't used it for years, so we're just going to give it a good basting over a hot flame just to completely clean and sterilise it. Dear God, that is one scary, scary hob. And it's kind of like doing the washing up, but campfire style. So while we're in here, this is, what's this called in here, Leon? HQ?
Yeah, it's the main area.
So this is the main area at Footsteps. So this is where you come to eat your meals, to like have group chats, to find out what you're going to do for your day on your course. This is all the kitchen area here. I love cooking in their kitchen area. It's so cool. And then up here we've got the 2 wood fires, which, like I say, Leon has kindly got that fire going for me. And then out through there, you're just in the woods. It's so beautiful. Loads of wooden spoons up there hanging. And then dotted around the site is a ton of just different areas. There's classrooms, there's survival shelters, there's all kinds of old army gear. Just kind of makes it a really cool learning space. I'll drop a link to the website below if you want to go and see the kind of courses that these guys run. It's very cool. So the idea here is that we're going to build up this fire here so we've got continuous embers coming, and then we're going to be dragging the embers off to this side, which is where I'll be able to cook. So the boys have gone off to do a very important bakery run. They've gone off to our favourite bakery, De Barra, to pick up baguettes, and that, oh, where is it? That little beauty is definitely cooked. When I'm cooking chicken outdoors, and especially when it's a whole chicken, I need to know that I'm not going to poison anyone, so I always use digital thermometer. This one is Thermapen, and it's made in Britain, which is really nice, so I'll leave details to this below if you want to go and check them out. Highly recommended. So now I have to try and not eat that while I wait for the boys to get back. Wish me luck. Finally, the boys are back with bread. Can you believe it? They've been gone for hours. So I am having baguette with some butter, some mayo, and then these are little cherry tomatoes that I had to roast yesterday for some photos. So I kind of thought that'd be quite nice, squished in there with some of that. Oh my gosh, look how well cooked that is. Look how tender that meat is.
It's beautiful, coming away from the bone really, really well.
Gorgeous.
That's a hard bit of wood, that one.
It was, you can hear how hard it was.
Spin these, can't you? You can. I know that if I can spike out the time.
Yay! Good job, Johnny.
Best throw yet.
Well, this day has turned into an absolute lazy day. It's been really lovely. I've had a little afternoon nap. We've eaten cake. We've had a really lovely chilled out time. So now we're all going to go and pull up a chair next to that fire and no doubt share a shandy or two. So I shall sign off for today. Thank you for watching and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will catch up with you guys next week. Until then, stay safe and happy camping. Mwah.